Hello friends, today I am going to share with you famous mango drink of Pune, that is mango mastani. So let's get started. Here I have taken one big size mango. Slice the mango as I am showing you here. And now to remove the pulp easily, make few cuts as I am showing you here. Use the sharp knife. And now in the vertical direction. This is the easier way to remove the pulp. And now with the help of spoon, scoop out all the pulp. It is easier and faster way to remove the pulp from the mango. And now remove it in a separate bowl. Now I am going to remove all the pulp from the mango and then I will show you. After removing all the pulp from the mango, this is approximately 1 cup of pulp. Now take a blending jar, add this mango pulp in it and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar depending upon the sweetness of the mango. Now cover the lid and churn it for about 30 seconds. Open the lid and you will get like that type of consistency. Now add 1/3 cup of cold milk in it and churn for about another 1 minute. Now open the lid again and this is how the mango looks like. After that I am going to add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. This is homemade vanilla ice cream. I will share the link in the description box. Now again cover the lid and churn it for about a minute, and after that this is how it looks like. The mango shake is ready. I'll show you the consistency of this shake. And now set it aside. Now it's time to assemble. Take any type of glass, and this is the mango pulp that I have saved before adding the milk in it. Pour this. This is just for decoration. This is optional totally. After adding the pulp, add handful of dry fruits in it. You can use any type of dry fruits and few cubes of mangoes. Tutti frutti, this is totally optional. And now pour the milkshake in the glass. Again dry fruits, some tutti frutti, and now after that few mango cubes, and now 1 to 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream depending on your choice. And now again pour the mango shake in it. After that 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and now sprinkle some tutti frutti, some dry fruits on top of that. Finish it with some mango cubes and cherry. This is optional. You can decorate it however you want it. And here is delicious, rich, flavorful mango milkshake dessert. Mango mastani is ready to serve. Probably the drink is named after Peshwa Bajirao's wife Mastani because she's so beautiful as this drink named after her. So in this summer season, enjoy this beautiful and healthy milkshake dessert. Make it at home. You can make it easily with very few ingredients. Enjoy with your friends and family. And if you like this recipe of mango mastani, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.